Now, what's really interesting here is the level of dedication you get. Under the Astra Essentials plan, you receive exactly 2 dedicated service units per month for every single core database feature. Normalization reviews, index management, data integrity validations, they are all receiving consistent, dedicated time every single month. This is a real game changer, folks. It guarantees your system gets professional care proactively, rather than just crossing your fingers and relying on an IT guy who only shows up when the whole system is already broken.
And that proactive approach, it builds a massive compounding advantage for your business through Astra's proactive care cycle. Instead of just sitting around waiting for a breakdown, Astra acts like your relentless, proactive mechanic. Step 1, a regular schema health check finds structural anomalies way before they cause any actual issues. Step 2, index analysis hunts down all that unused, fragmented data that's just draining your server's energy. And finally, strict validation rules guarantee optimal performance by stopping bad, messy data from ever entering your system in the first place.
A breach isn't just an inconvenience, it's a total catastrophe. Astra builds an ironclad fortress around your data so you can have total peace of mind. They meticulously manage role-based access controls, which simply means your staff only sees exactly what they need for their specific jobs, period. They manage your encryption both when data is sitting still and when it's moving across the network. Combine that with relentless security patching and 24/7 monitoring, and your business is completely fortified against unauthorized access.